One of the most important issues in your divorce is making sure that your retirement assets are properly divided.
So in New Jersey, we have a vehicle to divide your retirement assets. For short, it's called the QDRO, QDRO, which stands for Qualified Domestic Relations Order. This is the actual vehicle that will divide your retirement accounts either during the divorce or after the divorce.
And this is something that the attorneys, your divorce attorney doesn't usually prepare this document. It's sent out to an accounting firm or an actuary to actually draft the Qualified Domestic Relations Order, because federal law is so precise and complicated that we hire specialists. It's not hugely expensive. It can be between $400 and $500 for each Qualified Domestic Relations Order.
The most important thing that we always discuss with our clients is following up on the QDRO. So there are many steps to get a QDRO effectuated with your particular employer, and to do so takes time and organization, and you have to make sure that every step of the way, the people who should be handling the QDRO and managing the QDRO and then eventually effectuating the QDRO are doing what they should be doing. So you want to make sure that you have a tight deadline with follow-ups for this particular process.
And we would also suggest that this be discussed as much as possible before the divorce is actually finalized, because very often things get left out. Details, sometimes people aren't aware that a special state pension doesn't have a certain type of benefit. So it's very important to do at least some research before the divorce is actually completed to make sure that you're asking for everything on behalf of your client.
Absolutely. And then finally, I would just tell clients, you want to call early on and see if there's a cost for staying on as a survivor benefit on your spouse's plan, if that is something that the plan offers. That's often a question that we deal with during the family law litigation.